Hello guys, today we're just doing a quick video on what we carry around in the tool bag every day. And that's the tool bag that I use, Stanley Fat Max. It's got the handle on it there, which extends out. It's on wheels. It's great for what I do in the city centre because I've got a lot of stuff around to different buildings. And it's pretty decent. Has got a little bit of rip in it already on the cargo net at the front. But anyway, drop a comment, let me know what tool bag you use and what you'd recommend if I was going to get a new one. Right, okay, so what do we have in the bag? First off, always have a Stanley knife in my pocket. Always keep that in my pocket. Got a couple of tape measures, always got a couple of them. Got a bit set just dangling on there. Inside bag, normally always got impact driver in there. Always comes in handy on every job. Got a torch, Bosch torch. Change the battery over on that. It's a brilliant little torch. What else do we have? This section here pulls out. And then we've got a variety of tools in there. We've got a little Bosch electric screwdriver, great for doing electric sockets and stuff. We've got various scrapers, all different types. A little magnet thing that comes in handy when you drop something down the back of the toilets you can't get to. Got all different screwdrivers in there. Got some wood chisels. Other side, we've got all different types of grips. Some nice ones. Also, these are always handy with a plastic bit on the end there. If you're doing any work on chrome showers and stuff, you need a set of them, or you have to put some tape on it to protect it. What else we got? We've got some Allen keys, little hacksaw blade with a handle on it, that's cool as well. Mini caliper for measuring stuff accurately. We've got some long nose pliers, normal pliers, we've got some snips in there. Like I say, that stuff in there will change all the time, depends on what jobs they're doing. Generally, bottom of the bag's just a mess, it's just got all different in it. Got Rothenberg tap spanner there, which is adjustable in height, so you can get up to the bath taps. It's handy to have in your bag. We've got some plastic pipe cutters, and for your bigger 40mm pipes and stuff, bigger cutters. Got a mini crowbar. Yeah, and we've just got various little tools in there, tap spanners, a set of star keys, a set of Allen keys, utility cupboard, unlocking key, all bits and bobs, drill bits and stuff like that. Little things that you carry around might be handy. In here, pipe slices, 15mm, 22mm. And we have pencil sharpener, some electrical tape, and then, like I say, you've got pockets inside for silicone tools. Depends what you're doing, carrying spirit levels. Overall, it's a pretty decent bag. Makes it a lot easier. You can carry a right load of stuff in it. You can fill that up with loads of power tools, no problem, and carry them about. That pocket comes out, so I can just carry that around with me if I want to. Put that in. Fill it back up with all the junk. And that's it. So let me know what tool bag you use. I'd love to know. And that's it. You've got pockets, you've got straps at the side, you can put levels in there. You've also got straps on the back so you can carry it as a backpack. And then you've got various different bits on the front there where you can slide things through to carry stuff. Pretty decent. So make sure you like, make sure you follow in, hit subscribe, and the little bell button so you get reminders every time I get a video come up. Really appreciate it. If you interact with a video, it'll help it get seen more. Cheers. Bye.